Hi guys, if you see this to see your message, please sign in into messengers. And how to fix it, it's very easy. You can switch or you can log in into your primary Facebook account first. This is the mobile version of the Facebook. So all you have to do is log in, and then you can uninstall your messenger and try to reinstall your Facebook Messenger. So after that, you can try to open and try to automatically sign in your messenger. As you can see, my messenger is on right now. I can see my chat here. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click that button below. See you in the next video.